Hey guys, welcome to Codewell, and today we are back again with the question called increasing order search tree. It's a lead code question. And before starting question, if you have not checked out our channel yet, do check out the channel. There are a lot of interesting contents out there. If you like the content, do subscribe to the channel also. So yeah, let's get back to the question. So basically what they're asking is they have given a root of a binary search tree, rearrange the tree in order so that the leftmost node in that tree is now the right root of the tree, and every node has no left child, only right child, right? So basically what they're asking is we have to arrange this structure to the rightmost structure, right? And they have what they have said, they have already given us the idea it should be in order fashion. This is the biggest clue they can ever give you, right? So in order fashion, what is in order fashion? We already know what in order is. In order means left, root, and right, right? So the traversal will be in a form that it will go to a leftmost, then it will go to a root, and it will go to a rightmost. So in this they have already said that the leftmost node will be the root, so one will be the root. So left, root, right, there is no right, so we don't get anything. So again left, root, so 3, right 4. So again left, root 5, 6. Then again it will search for the leftmost, so we don't have the leftmost here. It will go to a right, left, so again left, root, right, right. So this is basically the in order traversal which we did. But the thing is, they're not only asking us to design it in an order fashion, they're also saying that there should be no left node, right? Everything should be arranged in the rightmost node, right? So this is very easy. We can just, implement traversal will be obviously in the in order fashion, but we'll take a separate node which where we will just give only the right traversal. We'll just push every elements to a right so that it will be arranged in the right fashion, right? So basically let us start coding. While I'm coding, I hope you can understand it. If you don't get it, again I will make you understand. That's not an issue. So what we are doing is, first of all, let's um, I mean we need a node, right? Let's take a node. Let's assume this resultant equal to new tree node, and let's take this value as anything -1. Why? I'll let you know why it's -1, because we need something to point it also. This thing we are we are working with this resultant, right? We are making, we are pushing the elements where we are constructing the node using res, right? So if we are displaying this, we don't get the proper result because this is in a constructing mode, right? So it will be right, and it will be at the end pointer. So if you are displaying this, you don't get the right structure. So what we'll take is, we'll take a answer node which will point res, right? So what it happened is, you can assume it has both res and answer will be pointing here. So res will be constructing constructing the node, that is the right node, it will be constructing it. But answer node will be pointing to the one itself, right? It will be pointing. So we can just display the answer node that time because it is still pointing at the top. It watches rest completing the structure. That's a simple thing I would like to say. So let's take a helper function. Let's take it as root and rest. Basically, as I said, we are displaying answer. We can't display answer, right? Because answer is starting pointing -1. So we don't want -1. We'll say answer right, because from the next node we are getting the rest structure, that is from 1 to 9, right? So let's construct this solve. So basically this will be the in order one. So void solve, this will be the traversal part, root tree node and rest, and this will be as a reference because we are constructing this one, right? We are constructing this. So we'll check the base condition that if root is not there, just return, right? Or else, as a in order law, we'll go to the left and something will be done here, and we'll go to the right also, right? So okay, this is done. Let's see what will be done here now. So basically what we have to do, in order is fine. In order, if we just do in order traversal, this will be, the tree will be constructed in the tree manner as it is in the question, but we need it to reside in the right side, right? So what we do is, we will take a new node. We'll take something like n, and we will give this node a root value, and we say uh, res right equal to n, because we need everything in the right side. So res, we know that res will be pointing to -1, but that's what I said you here. We can't just return answer, right? If you are returning answer, even -1 will be counted, but we need res right, that is res right, that will be n value, from n value is 1, right? Now it's 1. So, and we should also I mean, we have to move this res pointer to the next, right? So res right for the next pointer to be pointed, right? So what else? I think we are done. Let's just run once. Let's see if this is running. Yes, it does work. So let us submit once and I'll just explain you again. Yeah, it does work. So well done. So basically what I'll just explain you once again. So basically they have given a structure. We have to make it the tree in order fashion, and the other condition that is that every node should reside in the right side, right? Cool. So we already know how to traverse in the fashion of in order, but in this question, just traversing it in order fashion doesn't work, right? So we also need to make this element, I mean, point right side. So what we are doing is, we can't manipulate the root. So what we are doing, we are taking a separate node called res. So res, we are initializing the value as -1, and we are taking answer pointer which points res, because res will be building the structure. So if you are returning res, you will not get the value, because you'll get the last value or the end value, because it's constructing the tree, right? So we are pointing the answer to the res so that we get the value from the top. So answer right will give you the value, because res is pointing -1, so we need to start from 1. So we will return answer right. So what in order traversal is doing is, it's doing its function, and it's also do what we are doing is, we are taking a node which will have the root value, and we will point the rest right to this pointer, so that it will be in a right order fashion. So then we'll traverse to the right, rest right, because we have to keep it moving. So yeah, that is it. I hope you understood the solution. If you do like the solution, do like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.